Did you know that one of Thailand's most famous islands wasn't created by nature? Koh Kret, located in the Chao Phraya River in Nonthaburi province, is actually a man-made island with a history stretching back more than 300 years. Long before Koh Kret became an island, it was simply a large bend in the Chao Phraya River. During the Ayutthaya Kingdom, ships traveling to the capital had to follow this winding route, making every journey slow and inefficient. In 1722, King Taisa ordered the construction of a shortcut canal to improve transportation and strengthen the kingdom's economy. Around 10,000 workers spent more than a month digging the canal by hand. Once completed, it became known as Pak Kret, allowing ships to bypass the long bend and reach Ayutthaya much faster. But nature had another plan. Over the years, the river's powerful currents gradually widened the canal through erosion. Eventually, the canal became part of the main Chao Phraya River, cutting off the old river bend and transforming it into the island we now know as Koh Kret. Koh Kret flourished during the Ayutthaya period, but when the Burmese invaded and captured the capital in 1767, the island was abandoned. After Siam regained its independence, King Taksin invited the Mon people to settle on Koh Kret. They rebuilt the community and brought with them their remarkable pottery-making traditions, skills that have been passed down from generation to generation. Today, Koh Kret remains one of Thailand's most famous places to discover authentic handmade Mon pottery and traditional riverside culture. One of the island's most recognizable landmarks is the beautiful white leaning stupa at Wat Poramai Yikawat. Built centuries ago, the stupa gradually tilted because of the soft riverbank and constant erosion. Rather than being rebuilt, it has been carefully preserved, becoming a symbol of Koh Kret's long and fascinating history. During the Second World War, Koh Kret took on another important role. Because it was away from central Bangkok, many politicians and government officials built temporary homes here to escape the bombing raids. After the war ended, these houses were later confiscated by the government. Even today, Koh Kret remains unique. There are no cars on the island. Visitors explore its peaceful villages on foot or by bicycle, enjoying riverside life that has changed little over the centuries. What began as a man-made canal has become one of Thailand's most remarkable cultural treasures, a place where history, tradition, and quiet island life continue to thrive.